Inserting blocks using tool palettes. First of all, we want to go up to our View tab. Once we're in our View tab, we want to go to our Palettes Control Panel. Once we're in our Palettes Control Panel, we want to click on Tool Palettes. When we click on Tool Palettes, we get a palette, like an artist palette. And the artist palette here is stuck on the side a little bit for some reason, and I want to take allow docking off here. There we go. So it's a palette here that I can grab by this bar. I can adjust the size of the palette. I can move the bar around. I can right click. I can make it transparent. I can auto hide. I can dock it to one side or the other of the screen. But essentially, it's a little palette like an artist has a palette. In here on the left, we have a bunch of tabs. And then in these tabs, we have some block insertion tools. So mechanical, I have some mechanical things here. Architecturally, I have these variety of things here. Electrical, I have all these types of switches here, for example. Civil, I have all these types of things. Structural, all kinds of things in here, channels, etc. And if I go down here to the bottom little part that has the little multiple tabs to it, and I right click, you'll see that I even have all kinds of things. So I'm down to hatches here, but I have all these types of things further on down. If I decide if I want to go to, say, civil here, and in the civil here I have a variety of things. So if I want to put a manhole in, for example, I can put one of those in. If I want to put a station or a concrete pipe in, or soil boring. And so generally all we have to do is highlight the item, drag it and drop it, and then let go, and we have our basic item in there. So if I go to electrical, and in electrical, I go and grab, say, a pilot light. You can just drag it and drop it in, and it'll actually allow me to fill in some text information, like I'll say PL101 for pilot light 101. I'm going to say starts motor. Okay, I'll say OK, and now right here is my pilot light right there. So we can do a lot of different things in here. If I want to go with Weld Symbols, and architecturally I got all kinds of things like toilets, etc. And if I right click on the item and I drag it out and I let go, it'll allow me then to put a toilet in. Okay, so if I right click on it and I say, for example, I want to go to copy, and I right click over here, and then I come over to clipboard and I can say paste, and it'll paste it in the drawing. So we got a variety of ways which we can get the items into the drawing, but the main thing is that we have all kinds of different things in here, and we can just drag and drop these items in, and you can see that I got an elevation marker in here. Okay, so how do we get there again? We went up to the View tab, we went to Tool Palettes, we moved it around, we right clicked, and might have turned off the docking perhaps if it was docked up against the side. And also you can find it's down here. You can move all this all around. You can set it to auto hide, so that way when you're not using it, it takes up less room, and then when you Hover over it, it flies out. You can grab anything you want, drag it and drop, and you get the item in your drawing. So using inserting blocks using the tool palettes is a very handy way to get reusable content.